Welcome to day 22. This is some extraordinary discipline and consistency that we have cultivated over these 22 days. Let's keep going. So, just going to start with a little march. Going to keep the cardio up a bit today, but we're going to do some stretching as well. So, a cardio exercise followed by a stretch. And in that stretch, rather than having a moment to focus at the end, every stretch, we're going to put all of our energy, all of our focus into that stretch. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to try not to talk while we stretch and use that as our time to practice presence, focus, paying attention. So we'll get out here nice and quick, feeling energized, mood elevated, cardiovascular endurance increased, as well as our flexibility and mobility. Let's have some fun too. We want to honor everything we do, but not take ourselves too seriously. Chairs here, of course. If you need to use the chair, you can be seated in the chair. And this might be the action for you right now. Just trying to get loose, warmed up. For me, certainly when there's more cardio, the heart rate gets elevated, the blood gets pumping. I definitely feel my mood is elevated, even more so than just with lighter exercises. But you do you. Find what works for you. That's the best exercise, the one that you're going to do. As long as we're moving, we're happy. Okay, so now, all your attention, all your focus. We're going to build some balance as well. Your chair's here if you need it though. So just a nice pull up. Just notice, just be here. Get a nice stretch in the glute, upper leg. Full presence. Switch to the other side. Again, use a chair if you need to balance. If you fall, just come right back to it. Have a laugh. Honor the things that we do. Don't be afraid to laugh at our mistakes when we just don't quite get it right. Maybe notice the foot that you're standing on. Just give that your full attention. How does that help with balance? Nice. Okay, back to we're gonna punch. Go at your pace. This can be like this, you can be punching, you can be going all the way cross body, uppercuts, mix it up. Just want to strengthen our arms, really increase our endurance, build that stamina up. So we can climb that flight of stairs, no problem. We can walk that extra mile when we need to. Go the extra mile. It's lonely on the extra mile. I like that quote. Come on. You can put a little squat here too, if you like. Feel it, yeah. Almost there. Really fast. Shake that out. And let's just bring your arm across. Stretch out that shoulder. And use this as a mindful moment. Notice where you feel the stretch. Concentrate on your breathing. Other side. Hey, when you get done this, I keep forgetting, comment, job done. Keep accountable. It does inspire others. They see that. It gives you a nice little win for the day. First win of many. Mind wanders, just bring it back into this moment and stretch. Maybe you can pull a little bit closer, get a little deeper stretch in the shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, shake that out. Oh, that's nice, huh? Just swing the arms kind of crazy like. Remember, we don't take ourselves too seriously. Honor what you're doing. You know, nobody's going to remember us in 3 generations. We want to get as much as we can. Enjoy this moment. Enjoy our lives. Take life seriously, just not ourselves too seriously. Okay. Little squat pulse. Go as low as you can, whatever feels good. If you're in the chair, just come off your chair a little bit. Let's go quickly though. I'm not going as deep because I want to use this more as a cardio exercise rather than a strength. Although the nice thing about it is we're doing both. We just maybe not get as much mobility because we're not going as deep. Come on. This is when we're going to get those feel-good hormones flowing. Yeah, a couple more. And, whew. Okay. Now there's stretch. Do dynamic. Stretch now. Stretch out the hamstring. We're going to go for a walk. Opposite hand touches opposite toe. This is a great time. Focus on your stretch. It's a bit of a walking meditation. Just be so aware. Notice each step. Slow it down. Be so intentional. If you don't have any space to walk, and just like this, it's terrific, by all means. Most importantly though, bring all your attention, all your awareness. Everything we do can be a meditation. It's just about bringing presence into the now. We get so much more meaning out of our lives. We can bring full awareness, full presence into this moment. And yeah, whew, that's pretty nice. Cross, jack coming up here. If this is what it's like for you, great. I can pick up the pace a bit. So a nice stretch, but also the quicker we go, a great cardio exercise. Get that foot out as far as you can. Really stretch it out. And I can also really get it going. Ooh, can trip and fall. This would be a good one in the chair too. You could really cross, get a great stretch. And now let's take we're going to stretch out our quad. Use the wall, use your chair if you would like, But I'm going to try to keep it dynamic by walking or building balance. But yeah, actually more importantly is bringing presence and attention into what we do. If we're fully focused on everything we do, the things we do are just better. We're not so caught up in a future we can't control, a past we can't change, just here and now. Feeling stretching your thigh. I said I would try not to talk during this. Once the endorphins get flowing, I'm just a chatty guy. Again, let's not take ourselves too seriously. Couple more here. Really stretch it out. Really, yeah. Hey, while we're here, maybe this last one, what if we were to keep stretching and come on down? You touch the floor? Not bad. Okay, last thing. Let's just go for a little run. If you're sitting down, just move your feet nice and quickly. Just gonna finish off like this. You can go side to side too, a little lateral movement while we run. Use your arms. Because the last movement we do is going to take a lot of attention and awareness as we finish off with real deep focus. Okay, just pick it up just for the last 10 seconds here. Ta-da! Not bad, eh? Okay, last thing we do. All your attention, all your focus. Use the chair. You might need it. Sort of a standing pigeon posture. Good. Leg comes over. We're going to sink down. Stretching our glutes, hips. Do your best just to be here. Chair's there if you need it. That's nice. Other side. Bring the leg up to your ankle on top. And just be. Get as low as you can go to really get a nice deep stretch. Bring all your presence into this moment. Oh, yeah. And then maybe just for fun, because we're here, can we sink down a little deeper? Keep that balance and honor what you do. Work hard towards everything without taking ourselves too seriously. Enjoy the process. Life's most supposed to be joyful, not full of pressure. Go through your day. Be productive. Be positive. Be joyful. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.